Alrighty, 1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle, an Ablecraft's Ford Ranger. Floor pan patch repair. This is day 3. Let's see, I'm going to say it, day 3. Nah, what am I talking about? It's still day 1, part 3. Day 1, part 3. So anyway, I basically cut a patch. And I'm going to have to form fit it to make it work. Fitting here to make it work. So I'm just cutting the square first. Alrighty. So we got here, I'm just cutting a square patch first. This is more or less the kind of the template that I'm going on here. These are the ribs that are going vertical that I'm gonna have to draw in there. They're gonna go like so. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep working. Let's get this patch, first stage of the patch formed up. Go right there. Camera. Let's go there. This table card is a 500-pound table card that you can get from Harbor Freight. It holds 500 pounds and it's a pump on the back side. I'm getting set up here, and I do like lawnmower repair and stuff like that. You know, for a little other stuff here, and I usually just put my lawnmowers here on this deck, and it makes life really easy versus bending over. And I put a couple of little small jack stands underneath that as well to assist when I'm picking up lawnmowers. It holds a lot of other weight too. So maybe just a quick little mobile working surface for you if you ever wanted that. And anyway, it's like $70 from Harbor Freight. Here. Alrighty, so I'll show you the nothing fancy here, right? Just a 7.5 by 12 piece of metal stock that I'm gonna have to form up into a patch. So nothing fancy here. 7.5 wide by 12 inches long. Okay. So now the fun part is putting the beads in, which I'm gonna attempt to catch on video. If not, well, I just don't. And then I'm gonna move it to the floorboard and hopefully start some tack welding. Alrighty, so get yourself a template, roughly of the work area, and then there you go. Get your, and try to work safe, of course.